You know it's a Jamaican Greenface, MP. Yeah, wildlife unsupervised. DPG. I got money, I got loot. Your bitch wanna eat me like motherfucking fruit. Nigga, and I came from a motherfucking island, Jamaica, nigga. I'm a fucking real fucking nigga. I'm a gangster, I'm a killer. Pull up, I'm a skriller. Pull up, I'm just that nigga from the west, smoking the best. These pussy ass niggas can't motherfucking test. If they ever did, I give them bullets to digest. The gun I got press like me bench when me press pan the gas pedal, and you don't know to how fast me go, then give me a medal. Like me a bolt, but me shot them with a volt, and you don't know said them skin bullet I got fucking mole. Yo, dog, me kill them, put them body in a hole. Me is not a fucking spliff that, so me cannot fall. Dog, the stories in my brain untold. Right now me I go open the head like a ball. Yo, me I pull up with the gun, me knock it, bullet take off in her face like a motherfucking rocket. Cannot stop it, cannot block it. Pull up on your block and me crack your face like a fucking phone scream when you drop it. Hey, when me pull up with the gun and then me knock it off. Yo, dog, I no pipe, but me pop it off. On your head like a goat, me I chop it off. Me never touch it light, and the coachy light. And you know the diamonds by me wrist and me neck it bright. Nigga, you can see me from far, yes me out of sight. But you see the light, cause the diamonds bright. Tell them say wildlife and dan power we out here. Every fucking day we will steal your bay. Every time we fucking travel, we'll travel with that K and the fucking Glock. Nigga, we watch your back, because them nigga get quick, we go stab you in a dot. Finding this the crew, gonna live and rise from every direction. Have more than 5 killers in every fucking parish. Find your destiny, that your body and life I get finished. Turn your body in a fucking strainer. Blood I run down the fucking drain. Everybody know I said the blood where you sit on the wall and a pain that. Me I go kill them, me sharper than a razor. Pull up in a me new Gucci blazer. Pull up in a car, it's a vintage. And you know me got a bitch from Asia, Malaysia. Bitches they be sexy, but they will drink your coming like they drinking the Pepsi. Nigga, I got your bitch and she say I'm like a motherfucking crip, but I always keep that pistol on my motherfucking hip.